you planning to gift your friends something really pretty? Something that they can actually use? Well, here is a DIY paper organizer. It can organize all of your notes, documents, papers, cards, and anything that you would like. Everything at one place. Such good is this DIY paper organizer. So, let's have a look at this. So let's get started. I have sticked 2 colored sheets of paper on either side of a cardboard to make it stiff and strong. Then, for the white and black pockets, I have cut desired shape of paper, applied glue on 3 of its sides, and then sticked it on my organizer. I got printed some plan doodles from the web, and then I sticked it here on my organizer. I have stuffed in some cards which say notes, to-do list, and reminder. They look really pretty there. Next, I got a sheet of paper in which I painted irregular strips from watercolors. They are like lines in the paper in which you can write anything. Next is a really pretty bookmark that says to be continued. It's just a cardboard cutout. You can do it with any shape of cardboard you want. Next is a scribble book, a pocket diary, or a minute book, anything that you would like to call it. I have stapled some sheets of paper together and then painted on its front page and then sticked a plan doodle. It looks really cute. Next is a sheet of paper. It's blank. You can write anything you want on it. And then I just stuff it in this white pocket in my paper organizer. This is how it can organize all of the things that I showed to you right now. Everything in just its front look. Let's check the insides. I chose black inner background because white color shows up really good on black, but it's all up to you what colors you want to use, and it also depends upon whom you want to gift it to. Here is the biggest pocket in my paper organizer. It's really big and spacious, and it can come all out storing large amount of papers or documents. I'm going to show you how I made this pocket at the end of the video, so please keep watching till the end. Here are little black pockets, and I chose to stuff in some bookmarks to gift it to my friend. If you want to know how I made them, the link is in the description. Next is a little paper and some card, just if you want to note some really small things. This is the prettiest part in my DIY paper organizer. It's a mini flip book. I basically took pages of same size and made a hole and then tied it loosely with a satin ribbon so that you can flip it all over. I really love this. Next is a mini page that says note with bullet points, maybe if you want to make a list or something. Next is another small sheet of paper, just in case you want to write something. It depends all upon you what you want to stuff inside your DIY paper organizer. There are so many other kinds of doodles out there, like flower doodle, which will do equal well. You can get them printed so they look cleaner. I choose to stick similar kind of pocket even on the other side because they're really spacious and at the same time they're too fancy. Now I'll show you what is stuffed in it. Here is a graph paper, a plain graph paper in case you want to do some mathematical work. Next is some sheets of paper. One of them is a plain sheet of paper and another is the one which has an older look because it really gives me vintage feelings. I made some similar kinds of pocket, the black one and also the white one. I stuffed in a little sheet of paper that says flip. Again, there's a lot of space for anything that you would like to know. It again depends upon everything you think of doing in your paper organizer. If you have a different idea, please go ahead. Now, let's check out how I make those pockets. It's actually very easy to make these spacious pockets. Do you remember how we used to make these paper fans back in our childhood? The procedure is same. All you have to do is to fold your paper at regular distances, flip it over and then fold it again until you get from 3 to 4 folds, just like this. I chose 3 folds for my pocket, but you can fold it as many times as you want. More the number of folds, the spacious your pocket gets, and so it can store more documents and it can pull out even more. Do the same thing on the other side of the paper with the same number of folds as you gave it in the first go. Just like this, and then just get it all into place and you're half done. Now fold the base of your pocket just like this. And now you have to apply glue here, so that you can stick it on your organizer and also here. And when you've done that, you can just flip your pocket over and stick it perfectly in your organizer and here is your pocket. That easy was this. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Please keep watching.